Alright guys, let's get straight to it. No fluff, just the value you came for. You clicked on this video to find out the 5 best and most viral AI niches that are low competition and poised to explode in 2025. Make sure you watch till the end because you don't want to kick yourself later when others start dominating these niches before you even get started. And here's the kicker. Stick around for a secret tip at the end that can skyrocket your channel and boost your views like crazy. Before diving in, let me assure you that these niches are beginner-friendly. You won't need to show your face, spend endless hours editing, or stress about monetization. All 5 are monetizable and ready to roll. Let's get started. Niche number 1, Cosmic Facts. That's right, space and the universe are about to take over. This niche is going to blow up in 2025 because people can't get enough of learning mind-blowing facts about the cosmos. Take a look at some successful examples. One of my personal favorites is Astrum. This channel has an impressive 2.14 million subscribers with just 379 videos. Pretty insane, right? Their latest videos are raking in views daily. For instance, their newest upload hit 130,000 views in just 3 days. Now, imagine the potential here. According to Social Blade, Astrum is making over $30,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Another rising star in this niche is a channel called ExoLife. It's newer, but already growing fast and making thousands of dollars. Oh, and one more thing. I'm working on a full course on how to start a channel in this niche. If you're interested, drop a comment below and I'll release it next week. Niche number 2, Futuristic World niche. This niche is not just fun, it's absolutely captivating. There's a massive and growing audience hooked on futuristic content, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. For instance, check out this channel. The crazy part? They've managed to gain 458,000 subscribers with just 46 videos. That's mind-blowing and solid proof that this niche has a huge audience. Yet surprisingly, not many creators are tapping into it. Now let's talk numbers. According to Social Blade, this channel makes around $2,000 a month. While that might seem small, remember, they've done it with only 46 videos. This niche is just waiting to explode with the right effort. Here's another exciting example. A channel in this niche with 1,000 videos pulling in around $115,000 a month. The potential here is enormous. You just have to decide if you're ready to dive in. Niche number 3, Funny Comic niche. Here's a fresh opportunity waiting to be seized. The funny comic niche is so new that I couldn't even find any major YouTube channels dominating it yet. That means competition is almost non-existent. And thanks to AI tools, creating content in this niche has never been easier. Let's look at some TikTok examples leading the way. One page, Flow Comics, already has 320,000 followers. Their content? Funny comic-style stories packed with hidden, life-improving messages. Another page in this niche is even bigger, with 990,000 followers. Now imagine bringing this format to YouTube. The entertainment category, where this niche fits perfectly, usually offers an RPM of about $2.50. That's solid earning potential for a concept that's not saturated yet. Niche number 4, Poetry and Philosophy niche. This niche is a hidden gem on YouTube. It's massively underrated, but has incredible potential. Take this channel, for example. It has 1.9 million subscribers with just 99 videos. That's phenomenal growth for a niche that's surprisingly easy to create content for. According to Social Blade, this channel pulls in about $4,700 a month in ad revenue. Another example is a philosophy-focused channel with a truly unique style. This channel has already gained 740,000 subscribers in a short amount of time. And the earnings? Roughly $4,800 per month from ads alone. If you're someone who enjoys thought-provoking content, this could be your opportunity to shine. Niche number 5, What If niche. Here's the showstopper. This niche tops the list for a reason. The beauty of the What If niche is its endless content possibilities. You can create fresh, unique topics every single day. One standout channel in this niche is What If. I've been watching it for years, and back then, starting a channel like this was nearly impossible for most people because of the cost and limited resources. Now, thanks to AI tools, creating videos in this niche is easier and more accessible than ever. And the results speak for themselves. According to Social Blade, channels in this niche make an average of $32,000 a month in ad revenue. Here's another jaw-dropping example. A channel that's only 11 months old with just 18 videos. In that short time, it has already gained 763,000 subscribers. Absolutely incredible. Here is pro tips for your success. As I've mentioned before, consistency is key. To grow your channel and maximize views and earnings, aim to upload at least 3 long videos a week and 1 short video every day. Short videos are a fantastic way to gain subscribers quickly, and the best part is that these 5 niches work perfectly for both short and long formats since the audience loves them equally. And that's it for today, guys. These 5 niches are your golden ticket to starting a successful YouTube journey in 2025. Remember, the earlier you start, the bigger your chances of dominating these opportunities. Which niche caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SkillsTuber for more insider tips and strategies to grow your channel and sharpen your skills. Stay creative, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.